Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. So if you want to see if this works and how well it works, then just keep watching. Ignore my background. I just realized it and I'm already here and filming, so we're just gonna go with it. It's fine. We're also kind of vlogging right now because of December, vlogging-ish. So I'm probably accustomed to seeing this by now. Anyways, so I bought this at Walgreens. It is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. I figured we'd try it out. So I'm just on my phone and it looks like it's $10.99 in some places, $13.99 in some places. So, you know, drugstore, they all differ between about $4. So it's anywhere from about $10 to $14 depending on where you buy it. So it's in the shade Black Noir. It's supposed to say 84% said that it feels light as air on lashes. High charge cushiony brush. It's got an airy formula. Anything ready to blow away the rules of volume. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Okay, so this is the component. It's really weird. Oh no, my battery's dying. I should have known that was coming. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back and hopefully relatively in the same place. I figured while I was up, I'd move that and move that. Let's go ahead and now get actually into this. So like I was saying, the component is really weird. So the handle part is round, just like most of them are, but then the rest is not. Like, can you see that? How weird. I believe it's the same amount though as most. 0.3 fluid ounce. That doesn't, oh wait here, 0.3 fluid ounce. So yeah, it's still a normal size amount, it's just a different packaging. Okay, let's go ahead and zoom you in so you can see how dry my skin looks, but so you can see my eyes. Let's just shut up and do it. So this is this is my eyes right now with no mascara on them. And I'm going to try really, really hard to stay in this position as I put the mascara on. Ooh, oh shit. Okay, so this is the wand. Look how big that is. It doesn't want to focus on it. Okay, can you see that? That is huge. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Can you see? Okay.
Interesting.
I got it on my lid. Okay, so that is one layer. Mind you, I did not curl my lashes. I never do because I have decent lashes on their own. So I'm gonna go ahead and dunk it in again, just so we can see if this is really, like, if this is how it's supposed to be, or if it's just because this is like, you know, I didn't dunk it in a couple of times. It's just first opening it. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. Is it weird being this close up? Okay, this eyelash, the lashes on this eye always give me more problems. Is like, they like to stick together more. They don't like to curve in the same way the other side does. Oh, bitch, get that up. Okay, I'm gonna do my lash line, lower lashes. I know that is harder than normal because it's too big. All right, I'm gonna stick it in again. So this is layer 1. And let's go ahead and do a second layer because I do that with all mascara. Dude, how did so much get on my eye? No. Oh, okay. We're getting really, really clumpy. So this is, are we in focus? This is 2 layers. Wow. Okay, now that you've seen them, let me zoom out so we can talk to my whole face. Right off the bat, I think holy shit, but at the same time, I don't know how much I like it. So it's not a wet formula, but it's not a dry formula. Like, it's definitely in the middle between the two. However, I always do 2 layers because I don't like the look of one by itself. It's normally not enough, which this one was decent. Like, if I had, like now with nothing on my eyes, 1 layer would have been fine. But when I have more makeup on, I definitely need 2 layers because I don't wear false lashes, so I need 2 layers. However, this easily started to like clump together. I don't know why I backed up and then pretend like now you can see very well. Anyways, it started to clump up, which I'm sure you saw. Not clump, but like group together, and they didn't want to separate. I mean, I could get it separated, but I felt like if I kept touching it more, it would have just gotten worse. So I almost feel like this would probably be good if you had like a clean spoolie on its own to then separate it out. That might have worked. But other than that, like, holy crap, it got those so big. Its claim of being like airy, sure. I wear makeup almost every day, so to me makeup isn't heavy, so it'd more be a preference of somebody who doesn't wear makeup often should really be the person who judges that, because I wear it so often I don't notice. Like, I mean, you could cake on makeup and I'm not really gonna notice because I'm so used to having so much makeup on. But other than that, I really like it. It is a very, very affordable, and I'm not gonna lie, it kind of reminds me of the Marc Jacobs, but thicker. So I wonder if this, like, over time would kind of thin out a little bit and get easier to work with, because if it did, then it would be really good dupe for this. However, how it sits now, it's not technically a dupe, but it kind of reminds me just like the effect I get afterwards, as long as I didn't play with it too much. Definitely is close. Yeah, I actually think this is a really good product. I mean, it's definitely affordable and it got the volume that I like. I would highly recommend this. It is a great affordable price, and you know, the holidays are right around the corner, so honestly this would actually be a pretty good gift. I'm one of those people who hate buying mascara. It's just one of those products that I don't like buying. So if somebody bought me a mascara for Christmas, I'd be happy. So if you're looking for something to buy someone, I think this is actually a really good product and it doesn't hurt the bank. So yeah, that is all I have for this video though. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.